Hello guys, welcome back to my page. Do you know you can make money online with your mobile phone? Just to chat with people and get paid in dollars, guys. You just have to chat and make money online. Just keep people company in few minutes and you make money online. Now I will be introducing you to a site called fiverr.com. Now when you come to fiverr.com, you just search be your friend on Fiverr. Now you can review and see a lot of people charges money just to keep people company online. There are a lot of lonely people out there that needed your company in just few minutes and you get paid in dollars, guys. Now you can see this person charges $30, this person charges $5, and this person charges $10, guys. A lot of people charges money, guys. Now this person said be your life coach and friend and she charges $25, guys. Let's review and see how it works. I will be your life coach and friend and she charges $25 for basic, $35 for standard, and $40 for premium, guys. Now she have two order in queue. It means two people are waiting to be entertained. Guys, and she will get paid $40 in 1 hour. Okay guys, follow me for more tips on how to make money online. Smash the like button, place your comment in the comment section. Just show me whether you have interest or not. Just tell me something about this app. What do you think about this app? Share this video with others so that they will get to know about this app and they will get to know about how to make money online.